fun craft today? Awesome, me too. We're going to be making some wind chimes using these little wood cutouts of the star and a rainbow, some string, paint, and of course the wind chime part. Let's get started with some pink paint. Do you know how many points are on a star? Can you count them? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Is that what you got too? Have you ever made any of these wind chimes before? Cool! Maybe it's been different than the rainbow or the star. What kind have you made? Now we're using some bright yellow paint. Wow, it sure looks cool next to the pink paint, doesn't it? Going in and using this pretty bright blue paint. Doesn't it kind of look like the color of the sky on a really sunny day? So the three colors we have used are pink, yellow, and blue. Which one is your favorite? Aww, I love it! Now we're all done painting. Let me just go add in our strings and wind chimes. There they go. Awesome. Didn't these turn out so cool? I'm so happy that we got to work on this craft together, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can't wait to see you next time.